Looking for a quick and delicious breakfast recipe? Today we're diving into the art of creating a simple yet delectable egg cheese ham toast. This breakfast superstar involves a symphony of ingredients that are probably already in your pantry. Fluffy slices of bread, sandwich ham, your favorite cheese, eggs, and a slather of mayonnaise. We'll season it up with a dash of salt and pepper, add some mozzarella, a hint of garlic, a pat of butter, and a drizzle of honey. Stay tuned to learn how to make this mouth-watering breakfast dish. Start the preparation with 2 slices of fluffy bread. Now grab a cup and press it into the center of each slice to create a cozy nest for our ham and egg. Once you've got your bread ready, it's time to spread some mayonnaise. This will add a tangy twist and also help the bread to toast perfectly. Next, place a slice of sandwich ham in each hollow space. Now comes the exciting part, cracking the eggs. Gently crack an egg into each bread hollow, being careful not to break the yolk. We want that golden, runny yolk to be the star of our toast. Seasoning is key here. A little bit of salt and pepper will bring out the flavors beautifully. And to make it extra cheesy, let's add a ring of mozzarella around the eggs. The cheese will melt and bubble in the oven, giving our toast a delicious creamy edge. Now it's time to bake this beauty. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now, we're moving on to the heart of our recipe, the baking process. This is where all the magic happens. The key to getting that beautiful golden crust is to add a bit of garlic and butter. This not only gives our toast a rich, savory flavor, but also helps it crisp up in the oven. Don't forget to drizzle a bit of honey over the top. This adds a touch of sweetness that pairs perfectly with the savory elements of our dish. Once everything is nicely layered up, it's time to place our toast in the preheated oven. We're going to bake it for 15 minutes, just long enough for the cheese to melt and the bread to reach that perfect level of crispiness. The aroma that fills your kitchen will be absolutely mouthwatering. While it's baking, let's prepare our final touches. While the toast is baking, let's get our final ingredients ready. We're going to add another layer of flavor with some extra cheese. Grab your cheese of choice and start shredding. You can be generous with the amount. Remember, more cheese equals more deliciousness. But don't be afraid to mix it up. Try different types of cheese like cheddar or Gouda, or even a blend of several. Each brings its unique flavor profile to the toast, and who knows, you might just stumble upon your new favorite combination. Now let's not forget about the garnish. A sprinkle of fresh parsley not only adds a pop of color, but also a hint of freshness that balances out the richness of the cheese and eggs. Give it a good chop, but remember to keep it coarse for that rustic look. Our toast should be ready now. Let's get it out of the oven. Take out the toast from the oven, and it's time for the final touch. As the golden hue of the toast greets you, let's make this masterpiece even more irresistible. Grab a handful of shredded cheese and sprinkle it generously over the hot toast. Watch as the cheese melts and mingles with the fluffy eggs and ham, creating a sight that's as delightful as the dish itself. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's add a dash of color and freshness to this cheesy delight. Garnish the dish with finely chopped parsley. Its vibrant green against the golden and white backdrop not only makes the dish visually appealing, but also adds a subtle flavor that complements the richness of cheese and eggs. Now behold the final product, a perfect balance of crispy, creamy, and cheesy. The garlic butter version of this toast is a flavor bomb that'll make your taste buds dance. The crispy edges of the toast, the gooey cheese, the soft ham, and the fluffy eggs come together to create a symphony of flavors that's hard to resist. To make this experience even more delightful, pair this delicious toast with a glass of milk. The creaminess of the milk balances the richness of the toast, making it a perfect breakfast combination. Thank you for watching. Hope this recipe makes your breakfasts more delightful. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes.